Okay guys, so here we have 4 poblano peppers. When you go purchase your poblano peppers, you want to make sure they're kind of long and skinny. Not too skinny. Like this is a perfect pepper. You want to make sure it has a long stem. And this, of course, some pepper and some salt. I have 4 eggs here. It is 1 egg per pepper. And then some flour. And then back here I have some picadillo. This is going to be my filling for the peppers. I actually have a video on how I make this. I'll go ahead and link it up above. The only difference from this and for the video is for the picadillo, I don't add the flour because I don't want a thick gravy. But these are the ingredients, so let's go ahead and get started. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the poblano peppers into the oven on the broil setting so we can char the skin. But what I did do is I rinsed the poblanos first and then I dried them really good. And then here what I have is a foil lined baking sheet. I lined up the peppers here and I sprayed them just with some spray. I have olive oil spray on hand. But if you don't have spray, it's totally fine. You can just use vegetable oil and just coat the peppers really good like I did here. And now I'm going to put them in the oven. And you're going to want to keep an eye on them while they're in the oven because it's on the broil setting. They will burn very quickly. So you want to put them in there. I'll time it for you so that way you guys know how long it takes. Okay, so here are the peppers. It took me 8 minutes for it to get like this. That was 8 minutes, and then me going in there and turning them. I think I went and turned them for like 3 or 4 times. But this is how you want them. The point of doing this is so that it's easy to peel that hard, tough skin that it has. You want to make sure you don't overcook them because then they become really, really soft and they are very hard to work with. So now what we're going to do is we need to peel off the skin. Off the pepper, you're gonna make a little slit in it. Sorry, up here. Just like this. Try not to cut too deep where you end up cutting the other side. And here what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove those seeds. We have peeled and de-seeded the peppers, we're gonna work on our mixture. Okay, so on this step is we need to beat the egg whites first. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start filling our peppers. So we have our mixture back here. You don't want to get the juice of the mixture, and you don't want to fill it too fat because then they'll break on you. So probably like a big spoonful is pretty good. poured it out. I'm just gonna season it real quick with salt and pepper. My oil is getting hot. My eggs are still looking good. So now we're gonna add the egg yolks. You wanna make sure you don't crack the yolks. One kind of cracked there for me, but you wanna kind of keep them in whole because you're gonna add one at a time while mixing it. Alright guys, so here are my Chile Rellenos. This is exactly how we like them here in my home. I don't like them too eggy. I don't like the coating to be too thick. So it's just like this. I still want to be able to see the green in it. But yeah guys, these are my Chile Rellenos. I hope you guys give it a try. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video.